Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access and manage your browsing history on Google Chrome in 2025 using several methods. So let us dive into this. So launch Google Chrome, and what you want to do, guys, that would be option number one, is click into these three dots in the top right, and from here hover your mouse over history. Here to the left, you will see a list of recent tabs that were open on Google Chrome. You may, for example, click into them to access the website through a new tab, or you may navigate to your entire browsing history by clicking into this button or use the shortcut Ctrl-H. After that, you will be redirected to your Chrome history here in the top left, as you can see. And here you may switch between by date to by group if you like, and simply go through that list here through your history and find the entries you would like to revisit or you would like to remove from your history. To do that, either use that search bar here at the top to find a specific or to filter for specific search term or keyword, or you may click into that checkbox to the left and confirm by clicking into delete here. Alternatively, click into these three dots and select remove from history. That's one way how you can do this, guys. Another option would be to attach or to add your browsing history as a separate tool to your toolbar here at the top so that you can access it directly. To do that, click again into these three dots here. After that, hover your mouse over more tools, click into Customize Chrome, expand the toolbar feature, and here, guys, let me find the history tool. Where is it? There it is. So toggle it on. That is going to give you access to your browsing history here directly through the toolbar. If I click into it, I will be given access, for example, through that overview of your history. You may also unpin it from your toolbar, or you may click into this button to get redirected to the general overview, which we see here to the left. You can also directly remove these entries here through that overview by clicking into the given day, for example, remove all from history, or by clicking into a specific or into the three dots of a specific entry, and after that select remove from history. And option number three, guys, would be to select your entire browsing data and to remove it, for example, but that would remove not only your browsing history, but cookies, autofill data, cached images and files, etc., etc. So you may do that by clicking into the delete browsing data here to the left, or through these three dots in the top right corner and through that option here, delete browsing data. So click into it or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete. And after that, go through that list, select your time range here, like the browsing data from your last week or the last month or all time, and select the item or type of items you would like to remove or keep. For example, your browsing history, just make sure that you select the given box here to the left, your download history, cookies, cached images and files, passwords, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, guys, click into delete data here to confirm that and to delete all selected items, including your browsing history. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.